kane tete emere tenten atwam no dwuma hodo anananom die won kasa na woka ede tudwa ene wonne ye nyina no na wogina amamere kwaso na woye nanso bra ade achi ade esa no na emere dane ana na edane emene masesa se tete ede tete kwa asem kɔ na abasosem ebesi tete anemu a yebeto amamere ene amane atwene anase yede tete amane bebata na masem ho sechire krom yetete ekura buru a ehofo entoto amamere ase nanka eni die ni asomdwie eho newo nanso enieme ya achia ewo sechire krom mframabone efa sechire krom titi gina na se tete egu
Osre chini abwa
Yada mwase, somebody nyamiche emunaba. Nana mpani mfo. Sasa Asem ne yende nyamiche emu ne yende.
Obi do ba nyamiche. Yakunu kwa emfa so biara ni so nana yen saman sapon
Obrafo bring a sapon
Sapo yese ubekum nipa e wasase ho abra wo ba wan fa hwiama e fata se wo hwie mojagu
Nana nyam kum nyameche
Sapon, men to try control Biawa. You know, be any himself, only Yamiche every man's war, as I see be a dension in Cheo. Here, so I can't crack, man, I know whom mobile.
Me can be a name, me come Yamiche.
Hey. And your hand, no Kunyamiche. It will make me a canana glad abosum. Send your own say and quantum pa, a glad and pay so pepper new.
Take him to the cage. Ochame, bring me the comfort.
My confrontation. Titi, then to therefore say, once more, near Kufasa Pomra, see. Boko, therefore, bro, Nana. Boko, 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 Boko. Maka, Nana, Milami Kumina Meche, and then in a son of the Kofaim, and I'm Kokuno. Milami Kuno. I say, I be your first son, move down, saying. And I sorry, or therefore, sorry.
The court has spoken, and my final judgment is that Sapon shall be put to death at the going down of the sun today. To shed innocent blood is a taboo, and the punishment is death.
I'm more than one question. Madame, my uncle, Simba Bauno, I'm in Quefu.
Have mercy, please. Please. Promise you. Spying at young girls, taking a bath is wrong. You must be taken to the court. Let's go. Ejadu, the left hand washes the right. Take me to the court and I'll be fine. But If you fall in my trap, I also not spare you. I know you have also been spying at the young girls taking their bath. I saw you 2 days ago hiding in the bushes, licking your lips. So you see, we are all the same. Let's be friends. Once you don't report me, I'll also keep our secret. Let's go for one last look.
Nana. Mommy and me home prenu, and Sani Abuate. Mamma yan shishan se mu ye, and Sani Abuya.
Menu and Yaya Nana. Oh, as I said, if you can name mu yansa, ye buate. Ya hear that could be. You be buate, I see someone any year crowd. Oh, Kakrabian ye tranquil yesu, Kakrabian ye tranquil yesu. Ye trust your coro, na papa woman, ye to monsieur. So we go for we will more.
No crepa.
Na ya sema who are din say you go and kumfo.
No crepa.
Na na wada Roma media kumfu ni pa e bone ndie. Meni nye ho.
Therefore, Mr. Emeka say nyado. Mini ko nyina eni kofo nyadwen. Ko bie no ma enyembra ne de sisi ye chiri kru no. Na bosom so e de chiri kru no. Na ma bosom ahyemra to no ma ye ne be sa no. Ne so bi komrem no kofa nipa ho no na so kofa oba ho a. Therefore na nyamusuo. Na nyamu na to. Therefore mrano shemudi me munye tawe.
Me ji sani awoka no. Ye na nanom tete fo na mre so. Ana mo hihye sa mra yi. Won ni ho biew. Sisi a ye na ye wo so. Nti ye mre so yi, ese enso hihye mra.
Ko nyina. Emra be na nye ayeye afrim. Na pa kye se ye nananom no no munum nyansa.
Oh.
Omunum nyansa nsa na o mo hihye sa mra no. Mi bisaw. Therefore misaw emra de hye ne din.
Na wada Roma di onyina kira ne se. Ese bibia ihwehwem yiye pa ansana ya pe bi di pomasi
kufuo o kasa tugu wiem keke o kasa tugu wiem aso ka nyansa be ne wom wa nwene ho
sebe unim se ha no ehia na ehia se nuanom na ya dwendwene ho eni se bibia o ma obufu na kasa sa wati yenya ya nuanom o
ye ne ehia wo nuane hwan wan ne ye onua
me nuane obia
wo nuane hwan wo nua yida ko hwe no.
My elders, I don't see any part of the law that needs to be changed. I believe we rather need to make stiffer punishment for those who break the law.
Therefore, emrandie shenedin. Inti obi asem shenedin.
Elders, we are the custodians of the law. We should be circumspect in whatever decision we take today. Let's listen to Nana's final decision.
Impending for our laws will remain the same. Nana Hima is here, and she will tell us all about the initiation ceremony for next week. Openyunkufo, you are a very proud father, and Poma, your daughter, has not put you to shame. Laws are made to keep people in check.
Papa, why do you still insist that one has to go through puberty initiation before she's allowed to marry?
Afrakuma, it's not me. Our ancestors in their wisdom give it to us so that the young ones will not go astray.
Papa, I know the laws were made to protect us, but I believe some of them are now of no use.
Be careful, Afrakuma. The law does not respect anybody.
Papa, if I take a man before I'm initiated, what will happen?
If the fly refuses to leave the corpse, it is buried with it. Look, I don't want you to be a victim of the law. You must be law-abiding. My sword is double-edged.
I'm going to be chief one day. You. My uncle has made me the next of kin to his throne. I have to put up a very good behavior, you know. I do. Then you can't be my friend. Why? As for me, I can't be friend with somebody who is controlled. Oh, come on, Cole. Don't say that. After all, I did not ask him to choose me. He did. And you know what? I have learned from my mother that once I become continent, I can easily marry Afrakuma. You at all? Are you correct? I thought you would say something better. Listen, Cole. I will get Afrakuma first. Then any other girl I want. And if I remain your friend, will I get some of the girls? Let me think about that. Afrakuma is coming. This is my last chance. You coward, what can you do? If you don't tell her your peace of mind today, never discuss the issue with me again. Afrakuma, didn't you notice us?
I noticed you, so what?
Oh, at least you should have greeted us.
Why should I greet you? I don't greet good for nothing people.
Whom are you referring to as good for nothing?
You, of course. Whom do you think I was referring to?
Afrakuma, I think you've gone to extreme. You know I love you and I want... Useless man. This girl slaps you when it takes you to the ground. Afrakuma.
Hey! Are you going to touch the princess of Sechokrom? Are you not afraid of Nana Bonsu?
Sit down. Ejedu, I want you to hear me well. If what I'm hearing in the village is true, know that I will change my mind about you.
Edu. Edu. Is it true? Is it true that you attacked the princess?
Openi kufo. It is a war for Sinti, and now Pesem Rana and Penfo Ashe Okuman. Yes, a son. Yes, a son and Marano. Wanka Sachre. Wanka Sachre. Obia wuti kuman ma wodu wa ho den e de brade hye emfa so bie ni so no wanka sa kire aso twekwe fata no ne efe ma no
sebe so wasem mi di tuga fatuga ni nya kwanso ye nya daji okufo ne ne wo fa ase no asem no asem bia wo no ka kira bo fam
mahu obaifo kwa yi a okokoso ye baifo na no ma wo muntakra pa no ene tubo no pani obetrafie member frawe nanka no yebu ananka wefo a no ka hu bi eye kufo na no fa ase no na no fa ase akwa ka ba hwan yebusa no
me no nya adwen sebe me no nya adwen dua bododo dua bo me no nya adwen
na wadaroma dua to no ana mu wadaroma fo ni tume se ka se di abofra e kira ye be siensi akode wa ye no ho abusuafo e no abetu emu da se bre fo ni tume ni wadaroma pejoti mu
Kufo, I have heard your plea, but punishment has to be applied.
One we are say we go ofa. One ka say me what the cry how.
Kwasampani ofia kwasampa fo busuam. Sorfia kwa.
Yeah. Sebe ka say yo. Wo kasa say pa.
Sorfia kwa. E che ni sempani fo hia. Onu obusuam fo beti ho asem.
Odane ntiasia na moda beba medabeni odebro ntiasia rechenwo Odane ntiasia na moda beba medabeni odebro ntiasia rechenwo Odane ntiasia na moda beba medabeni odebro ntiasia rechenwo Odane ntiasia na moda beba medabeni odebro ntiasia rechenwo Odebro tiasia rechenwo Odane tiasia na moda beba medabeni odebro tiasia rechenwo Odane tiasia na moda beba medabeni odebro tiasia rechenwo
Offer, since he started moving with Komusio, Ajadu has changed. I hear he is now smoking.
Hey, Siama, where did you hear that from?
Afrakuma told me she met them smoking.
Then that must be the reason why they attacked her. Oh, Jedu. Aduma, your son has disgraced me. He gives the bad opportunity to humiliate me.
Offer, don't plead for him. If you plead for him, he will never learn.
This time, he will face the law. And I hope he learns a lesson.
Puku, won't you offer me a seat?
Can't you see I'm busy?
Can I help you?
No, thank you. I don't need your help.
Puku, don't treat me this way. You know I love you.
You what?
I love you, Puku.
I don't love you. And get away before my mother comes to meet you.
I want her to come and meet me here.
Huh. You are mad.
Puku, I'm mad for you. Can't you see?
Get lost.
Puku, I swear, you pay for this. My father is asking for the grass cutter you promised.
Your father. He likes me too. Tell him I'll bring it to him tomorrow.
That's the reason why he doesn't drive you away when you come to our house. My father gives nothing free.
What was he looking for?
This man, he has to look into everyone's business.
Don't mind him. But if he does again, I'll slap him.
Let's continue our discussion. What did you say you give it to my father?
Nana. Sisi asema ha me pa ne se. Se de bia kwakwasa fudwuma no a. Enipa no mo ma. Wo mo makura kakra bia ba na de bia wo mo ba. Eti amadwuma no enkoso. Amadwuma no enkoso kura nana.
Yes, Nana. The youth have refused to honor the call of duty. Womu buomonya gusto. Afi de womu muakura.
Ne mo kan me gitum. Ne bia na nam bibi nti. Na momo binim.
Nana minim. Ma ye hwehwemu ahunu se. Ko musuo. Opanyin se beba no. Wono na wo tu amanfo ofo bone. Wo bo manson se me madwuma. Ndi se wo bibi kapa na wadaroma. Ye ne agya se benka ne yie papa.
Kufo. Wo pani. Na okasa ya fa dwene to ho. Ya adwen kakra. Yeshia semputu dwuma ene ye ka ho asem. Ene de ama adwuma ho asem enso aba. Na da na mekwa me ba ko musuo din ena wobo. E wasem wemu. Wo pani, udidi aya anom kwan. Why?
O sebe na oba no odwen so ye hwan. Oba ko musuo no o ye hwan. Da sebre. Ni ekufo ka no aye no kure. Me gitum papa because abofra no on so da ye kura sa ma adwuma beba bida no ma bi nso da.
Ko nyina. Me bisa. Kufu otu we. Enyo no ye chairman. No no he sa adwuma we nyina so. Na da ben eno afre me ba no abɔ no kwadu e wɔ mpanifo anim da. Na obi a ebɔne ne so mfrɛ no emmɔ no kwadu a. Why da no agine mfum so atum. Therefore me sem bisa. Osi den.
Free so sebe, free so. Unim pefe se oba no kwasa fudwuma. Onko obi da. Enso so abesia na wo ye to be. Na okura ye nya oden.
Sebe utie.
Nana metie.
Your son needs to change his ways. There are too many complaints about him. It's all no for
Nana.
Sort ya say.
Martinona. Wadarum.
Madane tiasiana na wadabe banga belia wadebro tiasiana chewo. Madane tiasiana na wadabe banga beli wadebro tiasiana chewo. Madane tiasiana na wadabe banga beli wadebro tiasiana chewo. E wadebro tiasiana chewo. Madane tiasiana na wadabe banga beli wadebro tiasiana chewo. Madane tiasiana na wadabe banga beli wadebro tiasiana chewo. Madane tiasiana na wadabe banga beli wadebro.
Open your home.
Oh, good day, my daughter. What can I do for you?
Open, I'm looking for Mommy Adoma.
Adoma. Adoma. Yeah, Adoma. She was here a few moments ago. Can I take any message for her?
No, I'll come back when the sun goes down.
All right. When do you come back? Now, what were you doing at that time of the night yesterday? Was the part the man with you?
I was alone.
Don't lie. I saw you and a man, and it was the part.
If you saw him, why do you ask me? In any case, who made you watchman over us?
Oh, Kwandu. I thought I could advise you as my own daughter.
Advice? If you have any advice, give it to your nephew, Jedu. I don't need your advice.
Odani tiasia nana moda beba mda benia wode bro tiasia de chewo. Odani tiasia nana moda beba mda beni wode bro tiasia de chewo. Odani tiasia nana moda beba mda beni wode bro tiasia de chewo. E wode bro tiasia de chewo.
Fakuma, we have to change this location.
Why are you afraid? I'm a princess.
You can do anything to get away with this, but I have to be careful. Majo. Mechiao.
Mejo also.
Standing in the dark.
Opoku, don't be a coward. Nothing will happen.
Afrakuma, I'm afraid. What we are doing is abominable.
If you are afraid, we can find a new place.
My daughter,
Yes, Papa.
you are now a woman initiated by the rights of this village. I thank the gods that you did not put my name to shame. Remember what your mother taught you. Remember to please your husband always.
Yes, Papa.
May the guiding lights of the gods be upon your way.
Thank you, Papa.
Ago. Opening my home.
Open the ofia.
Opening, I'm looking for cool.
Come to me, Coco. Ko yobusiani. Ko musionu o yobusiani. Sa na ofa kwasan paninu. Osifon man kwasa sam no oka. Say me de hie no e na se wo. Ye betu asew. Ye betu asew. Ye ni hwan e betu asew. Nesu. Adawudi mo be sifia biem. O be kwa do be fa so. Nonsense. Wa bodam papa. Ko musio. Woni ne he. Woda hu jira ho. Ujira kwede. Esuoto ena wanti a. Aha, edechi ye, e form 4 ye. Wahu. Fiar mo kwa. Kelipa na wagun kase. Nonsense. Wati kopo.
What is it?
Wafa, why won't you let people have their peace?
What's your problem?
What did you tell Openyi Sebe about Komusu? Everybody is talking about how you put your nose into their business.
How dare you talk to me like this? How dare you?
I will dare, Wafa. I'm tired of you.
Ajadu, I say come back!
Opoku.
Afrakuma, don't you feel we can get into trouble?
Opoku, I have told you not to worry about our relationship.
For how long can we keep our relationship quiet?
I have royal protection. Nobody can do anything.
You are talking about yourself. I'm talking about my life.
My royal protection extends to you. My father will not do anything stupid to hurt me in the name of tradition.
Your father? I don't trust him.
Don't forget I'm his only daughter. I know he will not do anything to hurt me.
Odani tiasia nena moda beba medabeni odebro tiasia rechenwo Odani tiasia nena moda beba medabeni odebro
Ajanyina.
Ye kufa.
Oh, atu.
Ye shia ya che.
Onia, we dia emo amiku mo wira mu no. Na yi ba ko sem de brɛ wo yi.
Akantie mu.
Ni nyina wo.
Wo de chame.
Me de chew.
Oh, kufa nyame shira.
Kwa bi nom.
Nyame shira. Ye hwe ni muduro. Ye kufa. We dia wo sasu ni pa me ni se wo mu. Ah. Kaye nshira. Yo kufa ni na me no bedi mpapa mu ha. Numene. Enwi to mu ameba. Na amabe hu.
Yo baba beto me.
Yo. Siama, bra. Unu ya no ne hu ni mfa so no wo.
Papa, be na nsani, ofiri fia no patutututututu. Obebe fia je sa anajo. A obepe bibi adi.
So hu ne na dwen tie. Enya wadwen so no na dwen. Wate. Kopim so wo fa. Wayi ne gidie nyina afi sa abafra no mu. Osisi a wo ne ba akofo a waka. A wo fa ne gidie nyina ahwo mu. Nti bo bra yi, wate de be ka cho no. Yo. Buyade wate. Di mpanifo ni, why?
Papa me da ase.
Yo. Ya bu mpanifo why?
Yo.
Dapa. Hey, asokolofo. He, kwedu, siano. Oh, asokolofo. Akwaba.
Open Sibe, I would like to leave.
So soon?
I just want to go back to the farm for more foodstuffs.
Yo, Miss Hombre, ne mo kwa. Na de nkra ama awofo. Se me chia won.
Yo, Papa.
Oh, enya hwe why? Enya hwe. Ja bibia menka why? Kwedu. Kone kujara kwan. Ye. It was risky.
Hey, Ajadu, come back. Take this animal and sing it.
You will not take the food to that useless boy.
You are joking. You can never prevent me from cooking for you.
Hey. Komusio, Wabium, Komusio. Edi be Asem. Hey, o ma me way.
She has gone to the riverside.
Wait, Asem.
Papa, Konadu has prepared food, and when I asked for mine, she says she's taking the food to the pa.
To the pa. One mo kwa busia fa so asan edidi. One mo kwa fa so asan edidi.
Papa, are you selling your respect for these foodstuffs that pa brings to you?
Oh, just Asema ka shame no. Wo so fa so de say. Akaka bensam eni sem hunu ena di nu krom han mo. Yenimu. O wa sem pa ba ne ka krom ha.
They say like father, like son.
Like akoko like kosua. Wa bodam papa. Aboje say hia wa ja jati. Wo fa bro mo pani bia. Me na kasa sa ne kyerɛ me no. Mate.
What's the matter? I don't want you to come close to my sister again. Why? If you dare, that will be your end. This is just the beginning. Try it and see.
Look, there is nothing wrong with me. I just can't understand why you encourage Konedu to continue to have relationship with Dapa. People are talking about it. It's all over the village. What you are doing is wrong. It's against the law of this village. Hey, Sebe. Enti nya ya keka fa we kwea se na wo se wonte. Wa so sisi anasa wani afra. Nya ya keka fa we kwea se nya wo se wonte. Wonte.
Me hwe na abo. Me hwe na abo.
Asema, I have removed Ajadu's name from becoming the next of kin. I have nobody in mind apart from you. So the Lord rests on you.
Ofa, I'm honored.
I'll make it known at our next family meeting.
Thank you very much, Ofa, for having such confidence in me. I promise I will not disappoint you.
Ajadu has been a disgrace to the family. I don't know what to tell him again.
Aja, that woman, what man, your uncle's wife is a witch. If you want to become the continuing of such a crime, you must kill your uncle. When will he die for you to achieve your aim of getting Afrakuma? You are right, Ko. We must put a correct plan into action and finish that man and his wife once and for all. I'm beginning to feel his wife is manipulating him. I can't even understand his behavior nowadays. Yeah, the short man is coming, the short man. Ajadu!
Adana Musra.
That's nice of you. When will you grow tall? Ajadu!
Ago. Go Sabe.
Hey, Ajago.
Oh. Now what is it?
Me hunya. Adwendwen ahye me ma. Me da me na. Oh. Nyame ame ba ko musu kuro yai. Da biala de be chi biala. Ai se yede ne ho asem. Ebe betum anim. Ena ko musu afedi sese kwa ya na ne din ene ne honam akwakose. Transe. Yo, hadi
abonia asem na asem hia. Na omba no anti na menam.
Omo ede.
Sese me hu se wo ba ma no. Akwane a woni dapa enam so no enye. Na oba komusuo no de ene menim de aba ne tirimu kra.
Kufo, mame musu asem. Se me ba ene ko ni mu ba. E obibi ya e kan adwedwen ho. E kan wadwendwen ho. Wo de esumye ena anda so. Ana de edua ena wowe. Ana woni wu fi asem. Wunyi na etia wani ase. Ansa na wayi obi de. So he na sem so afa ne ho asem fa koto defu anim. Ne enfre no no mra meyi na no. Me ni asem bia ka kirewo.
Na wa wonim se de oba no yo no. Oba ba no de wo yo no. E kwa na wonam so no. Etia o mayi mra.
Me de minim, wona anim. So na anim a ko na fa ne ho asem fa koto defu anim. Fi han mo kokokoko. Fi mi so ha ko fi akọ. Fi han mo ko na mani so tuteme. Wonyo ho ne esi wani su na tu.
Me mfiri hango.
Fi akọ. Fi han mo ko. Fi akọ.
Hije mo no aka samba hije mo yo. Vivemo no account, vivemo yame, Asem Casiaba, a monkaye, Asem by vivemo yo. Vivemo no account, Samba,
Manu.
Asem Casiaba, a monk.
What is it?
It will be fear what fear. What was Asem?
Ask her, is she not your daughter too?
Onyam.
For your information, she is 2 months pregnant. So be ready to face the consequences.
Dabi, Kredu, Minyini, Onyam.
What did you expect? When you were receiving all those gifts. Excuse me.
What did I make a son? Say, Comusion on your bodam for, and we shall have a new duatem. Wabadam.
Mamen can make catch in Chilo once. No, Cassassi yet.
Mamma can you have a catch me? Come and the honest Sonyanina. No, I'm ready. So about the Paul.
Sana catch me.
Namika saying,
Sana catch me.
Make us saying,
Meduasi.
so I say, Comusion, my own bonnet, Kushana Bonti. Make one a cocoon.
Casiaba, a monkaye, Asem by vivemo yo. Vivemo no account, Samba, vivemo yo.
I dare have now.
So I saw Tokonoma, Mamma can't show. So need my pebby, and I saw yes and pebby can't them in the Fiamoko. No more, my papa, me baby. Men I make a show. Men I make a show.
I won't check what bravo. Oh, no, go to me. Oh, Cassatemo doing at Tenemeso.
Coina, Menacasa, say which seven. Me fear no abano.
Me Poma, woman, I won't have no man.
Naminiba, Kay, Miminiba, Abanomano, Miminiba, Obana from a while. No, come out, Obani.
Asem Casiaba, a monkaye, Asem by vivemo yo.
You see what you are going through? You see, when a child mourns like an adult, he must contribute to the funeral funds. Now, let me tell you one thing. What an adult can see while sitting can never be seen by a child, even if he climbs the tallest tree. Look at you. I hate children who don't listen to advice. Now that you are pregnant, what am I going to do?
Man. My test is will be him now. Why and you? Why? I'm not sure if I'm so.
Oh, my son, Kamba. Coyina, I will can what in an auto, if you are for what that function. No, Cocobana money. So,
but this is simple. Just tell him to keep it a secret.
Coyina, Bonina.
Amma, tell me, is it true that Claire is pregnant?
Yeah, that is what I've heard, but I don't know how true it is.
It is true. I overheard a penny owner telling my father everything. I heard it with my 2 ears.
Hey! So, who is responsible?
That one, they didn't say it, but they said they're going to deal with her.
Oh, Konedu. May the gods have mercy on her.
Nanso, Koshibura.
Oh, Jawase. Also, your bag, a bit near to.
I am penninsem.
I am penninsem. So now I sound so over.
My son, what do you know about Konedu?
Which of the Konedus?
Openyisabe's daughter.
Nothing.
She's pregnant and she has named you as the one responsible.
Me?
Are you sure?
That is the truth. I know nothing about her pregnancy. I know nothing about her. I can swear the great oath of the stool. I'm innocent, man.
Odone na na moda bebam da beni o wode bro ti ase reche wo moda ni ti ase na na moda bebam da beni o wode bro ti ase reche wo aye wode bro wode bro wode bro wode bro ti ase reche wo moda ni ti ase na na moda bebam da beni o
Haven't you seen me?
Afrakuma, my whole world has turned upside down.
Is it true that you have made Claudia pregnant?
Don't shut up, I'll give it to you to shoot. That is not possible. You know I can't see. Then shut up. Should we try? No. The man is a wizard. Let's go, Monsieur. We will think of something another time.
Kunadu. Me jitum se wonim pefe se. Ye ngo bra ye nyinsan. Nti ye ne ubedi ne se ne mmra no eti pepepe.
Nana, me pacho. Se ka se yetwe naso. E wonyinsan wanyinsan ne ho dia no kro ni ayemfo so kakra. Oni pe ono anati wi ontu kwan yemusa no 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 anka senkyere baabi odi nyinsen no e di fidi bae
sebe ye ni adagye e di tietia nansesem abofre ni onyim anaso onyim enu ne emra kwan asisi a yegina so
nana ne pelefo ko yina nan kasa no ompemi bae asem sebi abofre woti onyemu adati ne yetimi musa no no nan kasa nkyerechirem ne ehun baabi kura odi nyinsen no e di fidi bae nimfom so no
nana se opanyi sebe ase ne ba kwadu wo bibi ka misra wada me man kwa mo nkasa kwadu kamasem
Nana ne mpanyimfo mepa mo cho oto me mona
mona why
poku mama abrefi bei
wujitum wo wadanse
dasini di obi pa obi papa
we die ensuo ni saponi semna ni dwame ehwe produce your evidence
nana me bai onti fa sem mfen to be ma bi so a woni dansini eni kufo hwe so obo a hwe
odaruma emse sebe woni bai wo mu di ehwan agro opoku ye nipa bi a obu ade odi mraso ne ho sosojo ontimi tumo na da
kufo eja se na peso kan
nana wadaro ma dem besem chene se enye poku na ni akoda enyim minim ni ono nenyim dapa pani ko ni mo ba no ono nenyim de be ya me friend mra
na chame kan Fred dapa bra sesia
Apa, senam nesia no be kan nan entam ne abosom. Se aso be kan todo na be kan no. Untwan kontom wi a, utwan kontom a wani masodi a e ba so.
Se wan kan no kura so a be kwa ko frɛ konfo no aba. No be hwehwe mu amae. Ko pese be hunu mu no kura.
Nana, I'll speak the truth. I don't want to swear. I'm responsible for the pregnancy.
Oh, you are, Sebe, and a dahon. Who control number of Asimano, Banadian, and a Twadahon.
Sebe, for condoning with your daughter to lie before this council, you are to be punished. Papa and your daughter are banished from this village henceforth. Nana, please.
You thought you were encouraging your daughter to enjoy, but rather you were causing her doom.
I hope you will learn from this.
There is no lesson to be learned from this, because he knew the outcome of what he was doing.
We can assemble. We can assemble. And you be a naive. Ninala, if you could fall any queen. With Daumasi, papa. With Daumasi. With Chiamusuka, no more than me. With Chiamusuka.
Leave them alone. I was here when Opening Kufwa came to warn you about Kunedu. But you were behaving like an ostrich. And now, our only daughter is gone.
Manu, it's in your moye no. O form so. With your machi. One may no, with your machi. Kufo. When you coina. Me, metchromo pa, metchromo, a momo busumikra, you do so brew. Me. Me back when you pa ya in a few animal. Ya permanent free hand, mammy who can be. Ya perceive goodman massy near Sammy. Hey, me and my me from so in a female. Nanka could fall by your becca and break 1 century me. Say and Samurai. Kiss a kitty, what? Me may Samurai. Me the man near bomb home for him, Mam Peniso. Person never under the ITM. Hey, Emily Ninkaso. Now, wait, and you be an IBB. You be an IBB. Kufu Kroya, or Nuna, and I'm for Quinso. Person made me guessy. Now me funny. Oh, Kroma send a bill, be a mummy. Minamani is miniba. Minimukwa me don be faso. Minimukwa a me don be faso. Memo mo huni pakura me ye e okruma.
Abrefi. I want you to stop your son from seeing my daughter Frakuma. I will not deal kindly with him should anything happen. And I must tell you that I am very much aware of what is going on.
Nana, I beg you, don't get angry. I shall talk to him about it. Please.
Yes,
Nana.
Sebe? Bani Sebe o?
Kufo.
Mahai.
Yani ida na menya mawo.
Aja se bo de enama me kum wiye mu no. Na kam de kakra bre o na ida ye nkwa ma wo.
Hwe, Kufo. Ma me ka sencho. Na ti ase. Me wa hoden am betwa ko nwuram. Akokum nam. Na me ne mabusuafo. Ni awie. Wati. Fanam ko. Fana fian moko.
Mfanto suna je woni wado anu kwa bada bio. Obusia dio ku wa huna mani ampa wa huna mani bo.
Opoku. Monsieur. What can I do for you?
1 minute.
Poku, I want you to leave Afrakoma alone. She tells me you've asked her not to agree to my proposal.
Me? It's not true. After all, if Afrakoma thinks she loves you, what control do I have over that?
Is that what you are telling me?
You are talking too much. Let your aunt do the talking.
Jadu. Uji sani oni akwa sansani kwa sampeni ya ni huni mfaswei. Michile kwa musyo. Muyo yei. So poku ya mfenya masuma matahu. Ani ya humabro ano mamo so sroni ya himfia. Kawini mwenyansa. Sasa mi yetwa moswefi kuremu. Mibusao.
Ofa, why are you always on my neck? If someone attacks me, I have to defend myself.
Ah.
Your character tells it all. That is why you don't deserve to be my next of kin. From today, know that Esema is my choice.
Odani ntiasia nena modo beba medabeni odebro ntiasia rechenwo Odani ntiasia nena modo beba medabeni odebro ntiasia rechenwo Odani ntiasia nena modo beba medabeni odebro ntiasia rechenwo
Opoku.
Odani ntiasia nena modo beba medabeni
Opoku. Opoku.
What is it?
I have an important issue to discuss with you. Don't you want to see me?
Afrakoma. Because of you, I was beaten by Ejedu and Komuso. Your father is threatening me. It's over between us. Leave this place before someone sees you here.
Before I leave, I must tell you I'm carrying your child.
Poku. Opoku.
Obeni. Welcome.
Thank you.
Can I offer you a seat?
No, I'm okay. Where is your mother?
She's gone to see Mami Menu at her place.
Okay. Anyway, it's you I want to see. Opoku, it will be in your own interest to leave this village.
My mother has told you about Afrakumaya.
You see, Nana is becoming suspicious. And since your mother is a good friend, you've discussed everything. We've decided that you should leave this village and go and stay with your uncle at the next village. Our elders say the fowl sleeps early to avoid trouble.
Obeni, so when should I leave?
We've decided on tomorrow. But Opoku, do not tell anybody where you are going. Okay?
Opoku. Opoku. Opoku.
Afrakuma. Afrakuma. Come here. You are a princess. You are Nana Bonsu's favorite daughter. I'm a poor and humble woman in this village. My son is my only real possession. Please, leave him alone. Come and pass.
Opoku. Opoku. Afrakuma, are you following me?
Opoku, where are you going?
I'm leaving.
Where are you going to?
Anywhere. Anywhere I will find peace.
Opoku, I am pregnant. You can't leave me here.
Afrakuma, tell me it is not true. Your father will kill me if he finds out what we have done. I must leave quickly.
I must live with you. You know I can't stay here without you.
You can't go with me. We have to abort this for you to stay in this village.
No. I want to give you a child.
Afrakuma, please, if you love me, do it to save my life. Please.
Ago.
Amen. Good evening, Nana.
Good evening, Abrefi.
Good evening, Nana.
Have you seen Afrakuma?
No, Nana.
Where is Opoku, your son?
Nana, I sent him to Atonsu this morning.
Did he go alone?
Yes, Nana. He left very early this morning.
Drink it. You will fall asleep, and by the time you wake up, the pregnancy would have been aborted. Drink it. Afrakuma. Afrakuma. Afrakuma! What am I going to do? What am I going to do? If everybody remains like this, everybody who would recognize that she was trying to abort a pregnancy. And I would be the first suspect.
Ejedu, come and prepare this meat. I want to distribute it. Eh? Hurry up. Ejedu why? Ejedu. Onim se na me ebe prana. Kufo. Eh? Kufo. Kufo. Ara je sebe. Adai. Eje na me nyama.
Ede na onyama me. Boto na di fi enwura mu bae no. Ye hia wo ne boto ni nyina. E wa hifie. Therefore hia wo.
Na boto de om de ye de wa hifie.
Ede na ye di boto no ye na obusa me. Abrafo, mo fa ni machi.
Chene wotire mo ma ni
Adafo obo naneba. Otase yelo.
Nane awo mewo ye ya nenso nya hweye ura pene wotire mo. Pene wotire mo.
Therefore, no asem kakakra. Na ni nyina fa kufuo asemi ho. Nya fe ne ebebusebusem. Se ba ne sen ansa na kufuo ekwakodie mumu ya etisi. Nya fe ene ebebe transese eba bia hwehwemu. Ansa ne yabua sa asem wi. Ehwehemu bambiem. Onipa na ka so na oku na nabe. Ye hwe na petwemu so a afrakuma ti ne hyemu. Asem na ka sa di ne ho adanse awie. Emra me masem bae no. Sa kufuo kro ya. Eno ye ho champion. Eye emi atwa me bandasu. Na mpa me kire ne se. Ewiase abrabo etese asamando akwantuo. Asamando akwantuo so etese mra. Ebedi obi amako. Afa ne mra so se kufuo. Ofa asamando akwantuo no edi bono bu.
We are going to have a bumper harvest this season. Even though the rains are late, it has been consistent.
Oh, Penny. They say Afrakuma has been murdered.
Afrakuma? Which Afrakuma?
Nana Bunsu's daughter.
Hey, no. Where did you get this news from?
It is true. I heard it this morning when I was going to fetch water.
Who murdered her?
I don't know. They have not arrested anyone yet.
Nana, wadaro makwa edu ede abo mi nyina me ne hofo.
Wunifo.
Sebe. Uji se die benti pa ne be makuma Afrakuma.
Eno na me pese o ka kire ye ne ahia han mu nyina. Na hwehwemu amaye hwehwemu ahunu se. Eya Afrakuma. Eli opoku o manyo kofa no. Wo na ni mu bi.
Nana na ni mu bi. Na so me bo mo kokko no mantie.
Nana, onipa oti sei. Edi agidie na esi enya onu mu. Edi ani da so de sie nya onumu. Obi a onim obonefo. Obi a waye mumuye ti sei. Ne so ahwe, ne so adwane kwade a. Na de agidie e na sie nya wo mu. Therefore, onyan obeyi yama. Obetu adi ehwamo. Nana, me semeka. Emro ba frakma okompo no. Oba no, no afa yefunu. Poku. Kacha ye ne.
Mfanto suna je woni wodo anu kura da fa woni pa ho. Mfanto suna je woni wodo anu kura da.
Woman, why are you looking at us as if you haven't seen us before? Why do I look like your husband, the murderer?
You know your uncle is not a murderer. Maybe if you had exercised some patience before going to Nana, you would have traced the real murderer. But you were bent on disgracing my father, your own blood.
Then why is he in the king's custody? Woman, your husband is a murderer. Look, woman, I am now the new head of this family. Now that my uncle has embarked on a journey of no return.
Is that what you think? Well, I think you've forgotten. Ofa has made a Siama his next of kin.
Musho, let's leave this place.
Opinion Sebe, we are here to get your support. Please talk to Nana to have mercy on my father. I strongly believe he's innocent.
Mame Boatma, catch up on ma, non tiasie. Send you be the commentary. No more boss yakwa, and would meet at the judge them. Obin Casabuduashi. Croman Mabosuman Casa, and Hatita, who saw body for a walk room. Esene ho edadi obi na suma kufuo so nkokum nipa kufuo obi na suma no so nkokum nipa anya dia metumi agina ho ama kufuo me ne hwan a me kɔ dafo anim akɔ pecho se ene kufuo asem no ye fenche no mintumi
Sebe me pacho asem yi wo ho bo modia na fa wanu tumu kakra misre wara
manu me hu so chiri mi kokokokokokokoko on pe masem se wo wa me kwa what me na me wa wo nyo na wa me what en sema na ekoso bebrebe no wa hu me ne hwan ambe ko mitimi ko defo ho
Nana eye wadanfo pomodin atutu na kwa himfie wo na ko hu Nana ne nimpanyimfo
manu kamanu tum what kamanu tum en sema atwam dadada no kroma no ani ha enam hwan so ansa na me ba kradu ye twa na su afri kroma enye kufuo kro ya nye kufuo kro ya me na me kokko gina ho enkonko kasa me pacho enye dia metimi akasa asemu me kasa asemu kire me bi mo fama tam diremu na kasa mba diremu
Opinion kufuo Nana, so far all investigations have been completed. What are your final words?
Nana, it's my dear to me na minimum mini hosu for
Nana kufuo ye obom ho no enya dia wanya dwen so be kam no kure biara dia kire enkontopo no otwa no anasesem no peso to kire therefore so kan no kure dia ye na nia ade ye na yakeka de enkopem no be kam no kure dia kire
Sebe nia wo kan me ne onya dwen mom yan kan ye wuso pani kufuo ye osi oyi wo ye pani e wa himfia
Onyina
Nana
if that is the only way to get the information that we want, I'm afraid torture would have to be applied.
How? Hello. Bruh. I mean, I just can't believe it. How?
What is the matter?
Well, I heard they've arrested the man who murdered Afrakuma.
Who is he?
They made mention of my own good friend's name, Openye Kufuor. But I just can't believe it. Well, tomorrow I will send Opoku to go and find out the truth. No, is my food ready?
Elders and people of the land, since we are all subject to the laws of the land, and we have not changed the law, Openye Kufuor is sentenced to death by hanging.
Enti wo na hukum afrakoma no.
Yes. I killed her. I killed her.
Benyin Kufo is already dead.
Oh! Ow! Oh no!
Nane, awo mewo ya nenso nya hweye ura pene wutrimu o. Pene wutrimu, amanye pene wutrimu, ensem nyina firi nyameso, amanye pene wutrimu o. Awo mewo ya nenso nya hweye ura pene wutrimu o. Pene wutrimu, amanye pene wutrimu, ensem nyina firi nyameso, amanye pene wutrimu o.